Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Forest Park Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. The most taxing of all the types of move, long distance relocations exceed an average distance of 50 miles. They require careful planning and execution. If you are not careful, you can end up losing important items or damaging them. Therefore, to make a long distance relocation successful, you should reach out to a professional moving firm to help you. 3 Men and a Truck is such a firm. We have the equipment to pull such a move through, including large and spacious trucks. The equipment is of the highest quality, able to transport your belongings to any location of your choice. We ensure that we care for them very well so that they can work in optimal conditions. With 3 Men and a Truck handling your move, you can rest assured and focus on other essential aspects of your relocation. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour to transport our clients from one location to another within the locality. This charge is very affordable and reasonable and makes us stand out in the community as credible. We maneuver through the roads very easily and can get you to your location on time. We are your best bet for relocating locally. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Forest Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.